I hope you're not in bed yet. But I got a review problem. Now, what I'd like you to do is turn off, do these 4 right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Then turn me back on. Okay, good. First step of factoring is factor out the GCF. 3 is common to both. Then you look and say, hey, can I factor this? Yes, you can. It's a difference of squares. This one, same thing. Well, the 3 is common again. Holy cheese in a bucket. How did that happen? So, hey, that's a cube minus a cube. So you can factor that out. First, write it without the cubes. Dot, 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 dot. Then square the first term. Hey, opposite sign. Yo, 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 yo. Do it all the time. Hey, 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 hey. Product of the 2. Then add the square. Just wanted to make you aware. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, 4 terms. So do you see minus the square? If there's a minus the square, we're looking for 3 by 1. So I factor this, x minus 2, x minus 2. Now, I'm not going to go through and explain every problem because, good land, we've done this several times. So we do get a square minus a square, so we can factor that x minus 2 plus y, x minus 2 minus y. Oh, let's stop. For those that get 100%, look, I got some animal stickers. Look, penguins, pigs, wow, kitty cats, strange bird, fat animal. Oh, how exciting. Stranger animal. Oh, we like it, kids. If that doesn't want to get an A, I don't know. Now, do you see a minus a square? I do not see a minus square, so I'm going to group 2 by 2. So I factor out an x to the 6. It's x plus dose. Plus factor out a 4. X plus dose. I see a common term. X plus dose. So it's x plus 2. And then x to the 6 plus 4. Now we have one little problem that was hidden up here. Do this real quick for me. Okay, factor out the GCF. It's 3 again. Holy cheese, how did that happen? Now we factor out the trinomial. So what are the factors 4 that add up to 4? Well, that would be t and q. But we have the same thing written twice, so you write it as a square. Wow. No wonder people love math. It's so much fun. Now, try these problems, these 3. Then turn them back on. Okay, this one. Notice it's a difference of squares. This should be easy peasy by now. But this is a square minus a square. This one is not. So we just bring it down for the ride. This would be x plus 1, x minus 1. Now these 2, I got a 6 is 6, 1, 3, 2. 7 is 7, 1, so that's not too bad. Now, do I see a combination where I take one of both and then multiply, then subtract? Well, how about 3, 7 is 21, 2, 1 is 2, 21 minus 2. So 3 and 2 are part of my first number. 7 goes with the 3. And the largest combination goes with this sign. That would be the 7 and the 3. This one, oh, big numbers. 12 is 12, 1, 3, 4, 6, 2. 20 is 21, 10, 2, 4, 5. Now I need a combination where I take one of each and then multiply, then subtract again. I'll get 1. Let's see, how about 4, 4, 16, 3, 5 is 15. So that would be 1 when you subtract it. So the 3 and the 4 is part of my first term. Then I want the 5 to go with the 3, so we here. Then the other 4 would go here. Largest combination goes with the middle sign. 4 and 4 is bigger than 5 and 3 when you multiply, so minus plus. Now let's do some solving. Now, I just picked some problems. Are these more special than others? I don't know. But do these 4 and then turn me back on. Now, this one, for some reason, a lot of people get wrong. Is it equal to 0? Yes. Is it a product? Yes. So I'd go 6x minus 5 equals 0. Or 3x plus 4 equals 0. Solve, add 5. And then divide by 6. Here we subtract 4. Divide by 3. This one, distribute the x squared plus 3x, subtract the 4 because it's got to be equal to 0. Then factor x plus 4x minus 1. So x equals negative 4 or x equals 1. We are cranking. This one, it's not equal to 0, so the product does me no good. So I got to furl it. X squared, 4x and 2x is 6x. 4 and 2 is 8. I'm going to subtract the 3. Let's bring it up here. So it's x squared plus 6x plus 5. Then I'm going to factor to get a product equal to 0. So x equals negative 5 or x equals negative 1. Now this one, if you want to just take the square root of both sides, to be honest, I don't care. But remember, the highest power always tells you how many answers there are. So I would now just subtract 64 until you get used to it's plus or minus 8. X plus 8, x minus 8. So x equals plus or minus 8. 2 more to do. Oh, how sad. You turn me off and do that while I look at the animal sticker. Oh, look, who wouldn't want a duck on their thingy, on their test, I mean. Oh, look, another little chickie. Oh, wow, look at that ugly dog. Oh, look at a deer. Ooh, I wonder if it's tasty. Oh, that was mean. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. So notice there's going to be 4 answers to this thing. So it's x squared minus 25. X squared minus uno. So you factor x plus 5, x minus 5, holy cheese. X plus 1, x minus 1, mercy. I'm going to have to start exercising. My finger's tired. So x equals plus or minus 5, x equals plus or minus 1. And this one, subtract 8x, so x squared minus 8x plus 7 equals 0. Here's x minus 7, x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 7 or x equals 1. Shh. A lot of problems in 8 minutes. Wow. So if you know what you're doing tomorrow, fine. Now remember, if you get stuck on a problem in 1 minute's time, skip it and come back to it. You can't waste 5-10 minutes on a problem and then realize you can't even do it. Anyways, I hope you do well, so it makes it easy for me to grade. And I'll see a little smile on your face. Aww. Bye-bye.